My beautiful people, if you love to see how I do this lovely ponytail, keep watching, do not skip, watch from the beginning to the end, and you guys will love the outcome of the video. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. So this is my client's hair. The hair is washed already, like I'm just about styling it. So guys, just pay attention, watch from the beginning to the end. Although it's a short video, but trust me guys, you guys will love the outcome. So this is me trying to style the hair, like the style of the ponytail is a kind of ponytail that you guys will love. Like, so my client said she wants it at the back, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do. So I try to section small portion at the back, then I apply my gel, then I'm securing it with thread. Then after securing it with the thread, I'm drying it off. So if you wish, you can use the black small rubber, and if you wish, you can use thread, anyone you prefer using. So after that, I proceed to the front, and this means trying to section it, and the sectioning is a kind of a zigzag method. Can you see guys? So this is the style my client actually want, and that's what I'm giving to her. So just pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end. I don't know how to explain this part, but just pay attention and watch. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, please, I'm so sorry I've not been able to upload, like I'm so busy in my store. So guys, bear with me for now, please. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely ponytail. Can you see guys? So now I'm done with the sectioning parts. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to braid just one cornrow. So I need to trace the cutting, like, can you see? So can you see? So the cornrow is a kind of feeding, yeah, it's a kind of feeding. So I just braid one cornrow at the middle just to verify the ponytail. Then after the cornrow, I'll go ahead and begin to gel it. So now I'm done with the cornrow. So guys, can you see? Like, I don't really know how to explain this part, but just watch yourself and you guys will love the outcome. So now I take small portion from this first side, then I section it into two again. Can you see? So after sectioning it into two, like I brush it to the back. So after brushing it properly, then I started applying my gel. I use white gel, so fine gel. So I just apply the gel, then I use my styling comb to lay it down properly. So after that, I go ahead and I begin to do the other side. So this second part is a kind of, this one doesn't go to the back, like it comes to the front. So what you need to do is just to start from the front. You apply your gel, then you take it, you brush it to the back, then you keep cutting it from the front, then you style it to the side, and that's what give me this kind of shape. Can you see guys? So that's how you keep going. Can you see? So you cut it, you lay it properly with your styling gel, and that's all. So I try to arrange it well, like, I want the ponytail to look so neat and nice. So now when I'm done applying my gel to it, I go ahead and secure the whole ponytail together. Can you see? So I'm using thread. If you wish, you can use rubber. To me, I prefer both. I can use any of the two. So I try to secure it. After that, I just go ahead and attach my braid. So the ponytail, I use extension to braid it, just one braiding, then I try to coil it. I did that off camera, please guys don't be offended. So this is the outcome of the ponytail. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love the video, and if this video is helpful to you guys, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.